This indicator on Bitcoin is just going to blow your mind. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Division Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, staying alive here in Dubai. I hope you're doing well wherever you are in this world. I am fantastic. Now the Bitcoin is pumping. And if you are not trading on Bybit.davincij15.com, whilst this huge market rally is coming, you are going to miss out on a lot of money, a lot of wealth. Bybit is the easiest exchange to trade on. Go there, click on the links in the description below right now. If you can't do it, right, because you're in the United States or in some criminal country like the US, right, you might need to go to rns.davincij15.com, get some ID, learn how to use a VPN, and then boom, trade. Set up a computer, right, that's specifically going to be doing your trade. So you get a netbook or you get a Chromebook, and that will be your trading mode. So it always has the VPN on it. It's always set up to do the trades, everything you need, boom, right? It's like what, $100 for a computer right now for those, what's it called, Chromebooks? Shouldn't be a lot of money for you to start joining in. All right, if you're in Moscow, right, I'm going to be at this event on November 13th to the 14th, and I'm also hanging out in Moscow probably a little bit longer than that. So yeah, maybe you'll see me in Moscow. Come to Dubai, Habibi, October 22nd to the 23rd for the blockchain life. Alrighty, so let's go on to the next gen cryptos. We could see, oof, as I said, look at that, you missed out. If you missed yesterday's show, I was telling you what was happening. You didn't listen. I'm going to show you another time after time. We're hitting these things out of the ballpark. And if you are not watching right now and not sharing this with your friends, right? You're just being greedy. You're you know what? You're locking off them from actually escaping the matrix. You need to share this with your friends, because this is escape velocity right here. I am so sure that this is escape velocity, right? I've bet like $500,000 on this thing. All right. So don't be silly when you're like, oh, you're lucky. No, I've been telling you. I've been telling you the whole time. All right, so early bird gets the worm. So, stick a small percentage, see what happens, right? Orc, told you, we were reversing here, and boom, heavy reversal. Same with waffles. So don't miss out, right? All right, well, this is the news for today. You can find this link in the description. And all right, let's talk about, well, if you don't know, now you know, right? Bitcoin's about to pump because they ain't much Bitcoin on the exchange, right? I know that was not English, but whatever. Oh, yes, you can see that the exchanges are dropping in supply because the whales, right? They push the price down because they scare you to sell so they can buy. Because that's the only way they're going to buy is if you sell. There's no other way because there's not a lot of Bitcoin. Get it? So don't sell. KRAKEN survey shows majority of market participants using one strategy to invest in crypto. Yes. Honestly, you can use the little old lady strategy. You can use, just buy and hold Bitcoin strategy, buy and hold a specific crypto that you believe in strategy. You can also do day trading, whatever, right? And select one strategy there, right? So for example, trend lines or whatever, but always select one strategy and stick with it, right? Once you realize how it works, you study it, you focus on it, you learn it, and then you refine that one strategy until it is working on a consistent basis, is what I would suggest you do for investing in anything. Grayscale lists Jupiter, JUP, as an asset under consideration. Well, Grayscale is basically a company that does ETFs and allows you to store crypto without having to, go through the standard exchanges and stuff like that but basically on the market or where people do stocks. So yeah, this is a good thing for Jupiter. So hopefully you have some Jupiter. I know I bought into this way earlier. I hope you did too. Buterin outlines next steps for Ethereum proof of stake evolution. Now, this is interesting, right? Ethereum's Buterin has unveiled plans to enhance the network's consensus model, focusing on a single slot finality, staking accessibility, and increased validator participation. That's good, right? You need more validators, right? Because the more validators you have, the more secure it is, the less likely that governments can point a gun at a specific set of people. So if you have a lot of validators, right, that means less chance of coercion, which that's the problem with these proof of stake coins, is that they can be coerced because of the small number of validators that exist that can be coerced. Bitcoin price charts points to explosive gains in the long term. Really? Never really thought about that. Really? Let's see here. No. This is a flag, bull flag? No. Yeah. Yeah, folks. This is it. This is it. I'm going to show you another chart. If you think this is bullish, wait until you see the next chart. You better still watch it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe right now. Is Bitcoin October beginning, or will today's BTC rally end with more of the same? No. I'm going to show you right now. Actually, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to get onto it. But before I do, make sure you head over to bybit.davincij15.com right now. Right now. Okay? In this chart here, you can see that it took out the liquidity, right? And then came back down. I was telling you that this was headed upwards. And remember what I said? Hey, I was going to plan to have you guys come in at an entry level, lower level, but then I said, no, there's no chance of that. And I was right. There's trading different, right? Which you can find it in the what's it called, description, and you can get 10% off if you follow my link. My link in the description right now. You use my link, you can get 10% off the monthly subscription on this. Huge. So look at this. I'm telling you, this thing has been absolutely spot on for me. Time and time again, that I'm going to add it to my daily trading, because it's just amazing. I've had win after win after win after win with this. And my other trading, basically looking for different trades, but basically I knew that the trade where it was going, but I didn't know how far, I didn't know if, where the entry would be. With this product, it gives me the entry and the target accurately every single time. And yes, if you watch the show, I'll show you how to do that. So with that said, you can see that we went into the liquidity zone, right? And there's more liquidity. Let me show you this. Let me show you something. If we go zoom out on the 4 hour, the liquidity is way up here. There's nothing down here for the market to chase. Nothing. All the people got wiped out with this up and down, up and down. The only people who need to be wiped out now are shorts. Look at that. And the market's ready for it in a massive way. These shorts are going to get their shorts handed to them, their underwear ripped from them and given to them. Here you go. So this is the target right up here. $78,000. That's the target. So if you want to go long, there it is. It's an easy long. And I'll show you how to get it into a long, right? Tomorrow. So make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow, or we're going to get you into a long. I'm going to get the people in the private group into a long first. All right, looking at Ethereum on the same thing. Let's go to the hourly here, since we can't get the 4 hours. Lots of liquidity on the upward side, so we can see that just as I thought, And I told you guys, right? This was going all the way to this target, but I was really thinking it was going to go a lot higher. And this looks like it's going to break out above this level here, the $2,727. And once it does that, let's just see if we aren't right. Yep, right about in that there, right here. There, look at that, 27. That's where the liquidity is. Damn. So we're going to go chase after that liquidity. Might come back a little bit, right? Because we might just come up here and then fall. So look out for a drop below and retest the lows here, but we have to wait for that to transpire. But basically up here is where we're going to. So you have a little bit more room to run this, but you know what? You might want to be careful with your trade here because we could end up coming back to the 13 MA before we actually take off. So, all right, well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. I know I did, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.